Thomas was hurrying along his branch line when suddenly there was cause for alarm. Somebody had pulled the emergency cable, and the guard put the brakes on his coaches.
Stop, Thomas! Stop! It must be an emergency!
Everyone wondered what the emergency could be.
I'm sorry. I got a little overexcited. I thought I heard the sound of a very rare bird I've been looking for, and I wanted to see it, so I pulled the emergency cable. In any case, it's bound to have flown away now.
Seeing a rare bird is not an emergency.
Quite right.
I couldn't have put it better myself.
What's that sound?
My wheel! It has a flat spot now.
Annie had developed a wheel flat after being dragged along with her brakes on. Her wheel wouldn't turn. So all the passengers had to squeeze into one coach, and Annie had to be uncoupled and left behind.
Don't worry, Annie. Thomas will come back soon.
And we'll have your wheel fixed in no time.
Thomas didn't like having to leave Annie behind. He felt cross that the man with the binoculars had pulled the emergency cable. The passengers felt cross too.